Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Logitech K470 keyboard not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you have a Logitech K470 and you're wondering how do you fix some issues that you're encountering, well, in this case, there are a few things that you do here to probably solve a few things. So first that you want to do here is you want to check your batteries. So in this case, you want to check your batteries, try replacing them with a new one. Sometimes replacing batteries can solve a lot of issues here. So just change or remove the old ones, try a new one, and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you can do here is you want to try reconnecting your USB receiver. So sometimes the USB receiver just need a quick reset. So unplug the USB receiver that you receive with your device here. So usually it's going to be something really small here. Just look for it on your PC or your laptop, disconnect it, and plug it again and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing that you might want to check here is the obstructions and the compatibility of your keyboard here as well as the receiver. So in this case, make sure that there's nothing in between your receiver and your keyboard here. Sometimes, like for example, if you're in between a wall or a metal wall or any kind of wall here, this will actually block the signal, which in turns might actually cause some issues with your usage on the keyboard. So make sure it's not being blocked or you're within in this case vicinity of your receiver. And also if you're like for example, if there's a Wi-Fi in between your receiver and your keyboard, make sure to move it away because it will disrupt the signal, which in turns cause you problems on your keyboard. So also the last thing that you do here is to restart your computer. Sometimes restarting or simply restarting your computer here can solve a lot of issues because sometimes files might not boot up correctly when you open up your computer. That includes, or in this case, not limited to the Logitech keyboard that you have right now. But yeah, so in this case, those are the things that you do here to probably solve the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.